美国总统川普的关税政策但阁有新的发展哦。川普30日宣布讲，进口美国的钢铁和阿鲁米关税，自6月初时开始，要对25%要起到50%。另外，川普嘛批评中国违反战争，双方伫咧瑞士日内瓦达成的贸易协议。川普打算要和中国国家主席习近平来直接对话。
美国总统川普3早伫宾州的美国钢铁公司集会中面宣布，伊计划要甲外国进口的钢铁关税对目前的25%提悬到50%，而且无任何一个国家闪会去。
We're going to bring it from 25% to 50% the tariffs on steel into the United States of America, which will even further secure the steel industry in the United States. Nobody's going to get around that. So we're bringing it up from 25%, we're doubling it to 50%.
川普认为讲，有关进口钢铁关税措施，会当进一步向全球的钢铁生产商施加压力，并且保障美国的钢铁工业。川普了后伫社群媒体发文表示，钢铁和阿鲁米的关税拢会加倍到50%，并且对6月初时开始生效。另外，川普3早也伫社群媒体发文，批评中国违反进前双方伫瑞士日内瓦达成的贸易协议，佮讲各一人就做到这为止。 随后伫北京，川普重新强调，中国确实违反大部分的协议，不过伊要甲中国国家主席习近平直接对话。
If you read that whole statement, I was very nice to them. I helped them because they were in trouble with the stoppage of a massive amount of business. But I'm sure that I'll speak to President Xi and hopefully we'll work that out. But yeah, there's a violation of the agreement. Yep.
美国官员对路透社表示，中国伫解除关键矿产出口限制方面进展是真拖沙，对美国半导体和国防产业造成压力。不过，中国是指控讲，美国伫半导体领域一直乌白出口管制，违背协议的精神。公司新闻警员强编译。